Pehola, Iman, Yinchi, and Ever, and Mrs. Moore. I just wanted to go over a couple of things about our assignment today. First, if you look in here, um, there's the daily video, and you can watch that. Then there's the Pear Deck lesson. I don't want you guys doing that today. The Pear Deck lesson is just some extra practice, but it won't really help you for your quiz, and I really want you guys to focus on your quiz. So there's the study guide that's in there. That's the one assignment I want you guys to do, and then there's also the study resources that you can use to study for your quiz. So this is what the study guide looks like. Um, you'll notice it has green, yellow, and red columns. And there's a question. This question, what is the process in which an organism creates more of its own kind called? We're going to give you a couple of seconds to think about it. So if you knew the answer right away, you would type that in the green box. If you knew the answer, you're like, but I really want Mr. Gorski to prove it and say what I think the answer was, I'm going to type it in the yellow box. If you didn't know, and when I tell you the answer in a second, you go, oh yeah, you're going to type it in the red box. So the answer was reproduction. If you knew it and you were sure of it, you put it in this box. If you're like, I thought it was that, but I'm glad he said that because that's what I was thinking, put it in yellow. If you didn't know that, put your answer in red. And then after you answer the 9 questions, you'll have an idea. These things I really have to study. These things I should study. These things I already know. I don't need to study those. So that's one assignment I want you to do. And if you turn it in, I'm going to grade it right away or hopefully pretty quickly and get it back to you so you can see what your grade was and have an idea of how well you did on it. And then, of course, you can start reviewing for your quiz. There's quiz 8 study resources right here in the Google Classroom, and there's a quizzes, a Quizlet, a couple other study tools to use. So if you have any questions and have anything that you want me to want to ask me or tell me, you can email me, hop on the Schoology conferences, and I'd be happy to see you. Okay, guys, good luck, and let me know if you need help.